Morning everybody, I hope you're all safe and well on this glorious September day. Firstly, I just want to say thank you to everyone who commented on the last video. Bit of a difficult subject sometimes, mental health, but we do need to talk about it. And if you haven't seen it, and you know, go and have a look if you feel like it. But again, thanks to everyone for that. I didn't reply to the comments, and I'm sure you understand why. It's difficult enough talking about it, isn't it? So anyway, there we go. Secondly, I just want to say before we go any further, if you don't subscribe to me or you haven't got your notifications on, please consider doing it. I've got 615 subscribers now, and thank you to everybody. Really is appreciated. I want to get to 1,000. Why? Because I want to give that away. That's a giveaway at 1,000 subs. This is a Raindrop Damascus Bowie, all handmade, and videos I've done of this, so you can go back and look, with desert ironwood. Oh, it's beautiful, which I got gifted, and that's absolutely stunning. And this brass, and again, I hand cast all this, so it's all completely handmade. And it's got epoxy on it, so I'm gonna have to clean that now. But anyway, that is going to be a part of a giveaway, so don't miss out, because I do lots of different stuff with friends and things. And what tends to happen, I'm going to be honest with you now, I don't post on YouTube as much as I could or should. But I do post a lot on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. So I'll put the links in the description for my Instagram, but it's Exmoor Blades, so I'm pretty sure you could find it. But I do daily stuff. I'll do updates or things I'm making at the time, which I don't put into the YouTube. So don't miss out, okay? I'm just looking because I've got my notes. Right, little update. Canister Damascus. That's a billet from it. Alright, I've cleaned it all up, so this is going to be I will do a part 2, but I don't know when. But you can probably see the patterns, and it's looking fantastic. And I'm going to make, wherever it is, I'm making a little skinner out of it. And I think it's just going to be lovely. So that's that. And also what I'm making for someone else, and again, this is what you'd see on Instagram and that if you follow me on there. See those? This is for, have I got it here? Yeah, I have. I'm making for a friend who's a watchmaker. So I'm making him a knife, and that's all hand ground, nearly down to a point. So that's looking pretty damn sexy. And then it's going to have these scales on it. So I thought, he'd like that. Would you? Well, I think it would have been a bit cruel of me not to have shown you the finished article. So as you can see all the watch parts in there, the knife finished. And again, what I was saying on Insta, I've showed a little sharpening thing, or a little showing how sharp it is. But there, I've got it dirty now, but you can see it's stunning. I love it, absolutely love it. And that's going off to him tomorrow. So there you go. So make sure you do check it out, guys, because I don't want you missing out. This is another one I've just finished. Again, would be on Insta and stuff, which I'm probably not going to bother putting up on here, on YouTube. So, and this is it's a little skinner. Let me bring it up so you can have a look. I don't want to get. There you go. Look, it's a little skinning knife, which I've made. And I don't know if you can you see the colours in it. It's like reds and blues and all that malarkey to match this. And then I thought as a bit of bling, that's gold leaf, which I've put in and made it look a bit distressed. So there you go, there's that one there. So, oh, it's nice, isn't it? So I like that. And I will show you this one while I'm here. It's another one I'm making for someone. I've got to make the sheath for this yet. But if you look at that, see the spine? So I've done far work there, and it's got black resin in between. Then it's 2 layers, and on these it's red liners, as you can see, and on these it's orange. And then it's got brass dividing it, and this is, you know, well, I think I've been through it anyway before, but it's nearly finished now. So yeah, really pleased with it. So anyway guys, it was only a very quick one, just really to say thank you, and to just make you aware really that I do exist on other platforms. So anyway, I'll keep it short. I'm going to try and get a decent video up soon. I'm going to try and get out if my daughter's free one day from college or university. I'll see if we can get up and do some Exmoor stuff. Maybe take out a knife and, you know, do a bit of bushcrafting or something like that. If you want to see that, let me know. Anyway guys, take care everybody, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.